Hey guys, in this video we are gonna use expanded widget and let us know what is expanded widget first. If we want some of our children or child to stretch and fill the extra space we have on our device, here we have to use expanded widget. Let us see how to, somewhat like this. I have given the height and width for the three containers as 50, but as I use the expanded widget and gave it a specific flex, it's somewhat expanded as we can see in the screen. Okay, let me run the project first. Okay, this is what I have in the code. Okay, let me create a container first. Now I need to create a row, child, row, children, widget. Okay, let us see using expanded inside the children for a specific container. Let the normal height be 50 and width 50 and color be colors dot number. Okay, let me copy this and paste it 2 times. Okay, colors dot blue dot shade 300 dot red dot shade 300. Okay, if we run this we get these 3 containers in the middle of the page. Okay, okay, let us have space in between them. Sized box width of 10. Same here, sized box width of 10. Okay, if we run this, so it has space between them. Okay, we have space between them. Okay, let me grab this container with the expanded. Okay, red container takes the whole space available. Okay, let me even grab this widget with the expanded. Okay, without giving any extra property like flex, expanded widget use all remaining space equally, somewhat like this. Red container and this blue container are equal in size. If one container wait a minute, move this widget. Okay, if one container is expanded, use all free space. If there are 2 or more than 2 children expanded, they share all the free space equally, somewhat like we have seen before. Expanded. If I run now, this blue and red container will share the space between them. Okay, if I use the expanded, if I use the flex, I can handle size of them. Flex is equals to, if I give this to, it takes the 1 by 2 part of the, it takes a 1 by 2 part of a space available, and this here flex 3 takes the 1 by 3 parts of the space available. Okay, and we have seen what this expanded widget and how to use it and where it would help us and how to handle flex in this. That's all for this video. Let us see again in the next video.